Hi guys, it's Targi with the Pinpoint My Home YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to show you how to turn this into this. To get this project done, you're going to need a spline roller. This is a special tool that has a plastic or metal wheel on both ends of the handle. You will also need a large flathead screwdriver, scissors, and a straight edge razor. If you need any of these tools, I'll have links for them in the description below. They make a variety of different screen material depending on the application. The large roll measures 48 inches by 84 inches, and depending on the size of the screen, you can generally get 3 screens repaired out of one roll. To remove the old screen, you will need to remove the spline. Find the corner where the spline starts and ends, and with a flathead screwdriver, carefully pull the end of the spline up and pull it out of the channel. You'll be reusing the spline, so clean it with a paper towel. I found that cleaning it helps it go back into the channel a little easier. With the spline removed, you can pull out the old screen material and throw it away. Open the packaging and roll out the new material over the screen frame. Carefully trim it to be about 2 inches larger on all sides. Keep in mind you are going to use the excess material to repair additional screens, so don't trim the material too much. After trimming the material, it will be easier to work with if you flip the material so the curl is facing down. Begin installing the spline by starting in a corner. Use the spline roller with the concave wheel to get the spline started and carefully push the spline into place. At this point, it doesn't need to be perfect because you'll come back around with the spline with the convex wheel to finish it off. Trim the excess spline with the scissors and use the flathead screwdriver to carefully push in the spline at each corner. Now take the convex wheel on the spline roller and press the spline into place. When the spline is properly installed, it should rest below the screen frame. With a sharp utility knife or razor blade, trim the excess screen material against the frame and you're all done. If you found this information to be helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified about future videos, and thanks for watching.